Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we are making progress on our ITGC journey, I wanted to cover an important related concept which I'm sure you all keep on hearing on a daily basis. That is the difference between a policy, procedure, standard and guideline. Now all these terms sound so common and are mostly used interchangeably, so it is important to understand each of these terms for any risk, security, control, compliance, or audit assessment, which we will do today through some simple examples like I do in all my videos. So let us dive into the difference between policy, standard, guideline, and procedure. So the first one is, let's look at the policy. So policy is a document which outlines requirements at a high level. It is like a rule set document telling you what needs to be done at a high level and why is it important.